Well, hello, physics students. So we are going to continue our conversation on acceleration today. So I'm going to present you with two statements, and I want you to pause the video after each one and think about what is wrong with each statement. So the first statement is acceleration tells how fast the object is moving per second. So pause the video and think about it and return. Welcome back. So, what did you think was wrong with the statement? So, acceleration tells us how fast the object is moving per second. There's a couple of ways to fix this. You could say speed tells us how fast the object is moving per second. It would not be velocity, because what is one thing missing here that velocity needs? That's right, direction. You need a direction to have a velocity. So if we add direction, it would equal velocity. Okay, let's go on to our next statement. Acceleration tells us how much the velocity increases. So pause the video and tell me what's wrong. Welcome back. Okay, so let's look at this. So acceleration tells us the velocity, how the velocity increases or decreases. Remember, acceleration is both speeding up and slowing down. We are not going to use the term deceleration. And we will get into that a little bit more in just a couple slides. Okay, so here's a question. If acceleration is equal to -7 meters per second, is it speeding up or slowing down? Take a moment, answer the question, and return back. All right, so I hope you said, we don't know. We can't tell. We need some more information. So let's say the velocity is positive and the acceleration is negative. That means the velocity is positive and the acceleration is backwards. Do you remember that speed racer that we were looking at before? So the velocity was going one way, and the acceleration, you could think of the pushing the velocity back, slowing it down. So this would be a negative acceleration, but this would be slowing down. What if the velocity is negative, so we're traveling backwards, and acceleration is negative because we're given a negative acceleration right here. So acceleration is backwards. Since these are in the same direction, velocity and acceleration are in the same direction, this would be speeding up. They're going in the same direction. So the acceleration is pushing velocity to get faster and faster and faster. So because this acceleration is negative, does not tell us whether it's speeding up or slowing down. We need to know more information about the velocity to know speeding up or slowing down. Some people use negative acceleration and they call it decelerating. Well, decelerating doesn't tell you speeding up or slowing down. So why do you use another term for the same concept? We'll just use acceleration. Okay. So what is the acceleration of this? Ooh, this should be a change. Let me fix this. Should be change in time is 2 seconds. So remember that acceleration is final velocity minus initial velocity divided by change in time. So final velocity is 9 minus a -6, because the ball is rolling down the ramp and down is negative. Change in time is 2 seconds. So this would be -3 over 2 meters per second squared. There we go. Okay, So the key point that I want you to leave with is that an object speeds up when its velocity and acceleration have the same direction, and an object slows down when the velocity and acceleration have opposite directions. Okay, and we will do this in class. All right, see you all later. Bye-bye.